Hey everyone, welcome back. Gonna make another quick dish. This one's gonna be a paleo dish. Very protein, vegetable heavy, no carbs, nothing that those paleo folks or you paleo folks or us paleo folks are gonna worry about. So we're gonna start and make a little bit of cauliflower rice. Let's get some olive oil hot here. Basically, we're just gonna cut this down. Really small little pieces in a second. No uniformity, no need for that. We're just breaking this cauliflower down to really small little bites. All right. Pan is hot. That's good. Let's turn that up just a little bit more. A little more olive oil. Never have enough of that. Let's turn this up. We want to get it brown. Get some of that water starting to leak out of there, which we want. You know what? I think I'm going to add a little garlic to this. So this is kind of how I do it. I start the recipe one way in my head, but as I get going, I see something that I need to add and I add it. We've got our cauliflower really browned up nice, or starting to brown up nicely. Got the garlic in there. Man, that's really going to add to it. Okay, this is going to go in the oven just to finish it off. A couple minutes while we do the rest of this. Just a bunch of vegetables. I'm not going to put a whole lot of everything, one thing in there, just kind of. Peppers are going to take a little longer to cook, so we want to put them first so they get a little soft before we add the other ingredients. Got a yellow and a red one, obviously. Okay, more of lovely olive oil. Let's turn that down a little bit. Got some artichoke hearts. Okay. Now we're going to add some green, a little spinach. If you've ever cooked with spinach, you know how much it cooks down. See some with long stems in them, just take a second, pull them out, pull them off. Let's let this cook down a little bit. I'm gonna pull this off just for a second here. We will be adding it back in. So the sausage is already cooked. I want to get a little of that started. This time, we're using the hot. This, my personal favorite. If you like spicy food, especially Italian sausage, I recommend you give this a try. This has got just some amazing flavors. So, as a quick description, if you've had the mild one already, you'll have a little heat with the mild one, but the hot one, when you start it, you're gonna nice full flavor, nice pork flavor, then you're gonna get a little bit of heat, but as you continue to pass air over your palate, more heat is going to build. The different peppers in there, the different capsaicin that's in there are going to get released at different points. And it's just going to continue to build and build and build. And at the end of the bite, you're going to get a nice burn in the back of your palate. And it's just going to last a little bit longer than the mild would, but oh so good. Okay, we're going to put these in here. Let them render down a little bit. Check this out over here. Man, garlic is killing it right now. Wow. Cauliflower's done. Definitely softened up. Gonna put it back in the oven just to keep it warm, keep it hot. I've turned the oven off just so it stays in there warm. We're gonna do these real quickly, get them started. Just to render down some of the fat that's in the sausage. Last but not least, gonna add some shrimp. You don't like shrimp? Add chicken. You don't like chicken? Add beef. But I love shrimp, love seafood. Put these in here. I'm not going to add a whole lot of salt and pepper to this at this point because the hot sausage is going to do that work for me. I don't need to add that product in there. Just leave these alone, let them do their thing for a couple of minutes. Shrimp are starting to smell. They're starting to get the nice aroma from the shrimp, from the seafood. The sausage is already there, so you're getting that. You can feel that capsaicin from the peppers coming in. And yeah, this is all gonna really meld together very, very well. The shrimp at this point are gonna look a little bit bland because they don't have salt and pepper on them. And that's okay, because when you have the sausage in there with them, that again, that capsaicin, those peppers that's in the sausage, that's really going on in all the oil and all the fat that's rendering out of the sausage, that's what's gonna really turn that shrimp into something special. Okay, this is done. Absolutely. Gonna add this back in. Super healthy meal. Low carb, no carb, other than what's in the vegetables naturally. This is done. This is the cauliflower with garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil. We're gonna put this on the bottom of our plate. This is gonna act as our cauliflower rice. And then we're gonna pull this off. And there you have it. That is a Make It Italian, Calabrese style, Italian sausage paleo dish. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to visit us at our website, makeititalian.net. Also follow us on YouTube. You'll see all this video and all the other ones we're doing. Hope you enjoy it.